Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're going to go over what are Google shared drives and how to access your shared drive. So let's go ahead and begin. First things first, what is a shared drive? Well, a shared drive is kind of like a Google Drive within a Google Drive that's shared amongst the people who it's shared with. So instead of sharing folders or documents back and forth with people, a shared drive makes everything shared in that drive available to anyone who's a member of that drive. So now that you know that, how do you access your shared drive? Well, let's go ahead and begin. If you are a member of a shared drive, you will find that shared drive in your Google Drive. So let's take a look. Here I have my Google Drive, and because I do belong to multiple shared drives, I have a shared drives option here on the left. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it to find my shared drive for this particular group session that we're going to be working on. And you can see that I now have this period 1 and 2 block, and I am a member of group 1, so I belong to the group 1 shared drive. And if I was to go in there by double clicking, there's no files in here. However, any member of this group can add files to this shared drive and they will automatically pop up for all of the group members. So that is really quickly the definition of a shared drive and how you can find and access your shared drive.